Good evening. It's 11 o'clock, 22 minutes. I'm Devang Mehra, and I welcome you all to this market outlook ahead of the non-farm payroll on Friday, which is 4th February 2022. I'll wind it up under 10 minutes. We'll not keep things long, but I believe that today it'll be difficult for me to give you an explanation on Telegram. Tomorrow, first of all, today ITC has posted results, and tomorrow it'll be in focus. So keep a track on that. It's a nifty heavyweight. Surely it's been now replaced by Larsen and Tubro in the top 10 nifty heavyweights, but still it is something to keep your eyes on. Good ₹5 plus dividend announced, and it'll be in focus. Secondly, non-farm payroll expected tomorrow around 7 o'clock. The estimates that are coming in are, which is something which is shocking the entire world. I'll just give you a quick outlook. The ADP, which is the automatic data processing with a private body, on Wednesday, they have forecasted that there will be, for the first time in the last 13 months, a contraction in the non-farm payroll. So they're estimating a minus 3,01,000 change in the US non-farm private sector employment. Sorry. So this is very, very important, because if you do get these numbers tomorrow at 7 o'clock, the world markets, especially America, they will not be liking it. So I want you all to keep your eyes on this economic data. The government of America is currently estimating or forecasting a 150,000 addition of jobs tomorrow. So let us see what this actual number is, because that will drive or let us know how the markets want to go. That is on the economic front. Looking at the technical front now on the markets, today we were all shocked by what happened. The full day markets were volatile, and they were staying in a very close range of 39,400 and 39,100. And sorry, and I messaged you on Telegram. I said that no matter what, if you're in longs, don't be long below 39 of 100. And once I was expecting this to break down tomorrow, but it broke out today, and the level from which the breakout had happened of 38,800 has almost been tested now. So tomorrow's move has been done today itself in that adjustment trade that happens on expiries. How can we plan the market tomorrow? Nifty was more affected today because financials and ITs and oil, all the three sectors, heavyweights, were down. IT was down massively. HDFC was the one that was down massively, around 3%. So it kept on dragging Nifty down. Nifty Bank, if you look at the daily chart, has still not given you a lower low. What I mean by that is you're still above. It's given you a bullish inside bar, but you're still above the low of 38,740, 750. But Nifty, because of the weak nature, has not only closed below 17,600, but it's also given a lower low and a lower high. So Nifty is a little bit more under pressure. Bank Nifty is a little bit more stable. That is one thing. If I go on the intraday chart of Bank Nifty, still no reason to go short, but it all depends upon how tomorrow the markets are opening. If for some reason the markets tomorrow are opening gap up, let us say above 39,100, because currently closing is at around 39,000. If markets are opening above 39,100 point gap up, then today's, maybe 39 or today's low, basically today's low will become support. This is very important that you have to keep it in your mind. If you're getting a gap up, then it is very likely that the fall will not continue further, and the markets will hold on to this 38,800 range. So if anyone is in shorts, my recommendation will be on a very big gap up, and when the markets start to come down to fill those gaps, try to exit your short near today's lows or near this 50-100 point range, because this will become support. The selling will continue, and then again the markets will become volatile to upward, and then maybe in the next week the markets can take out 38,400 and they can go forward. What I explained on Telegram was very simple. The selling came from 39,400, buying came from 38,800, midpoint is 39,100. So if you're above that, we're cautiously bullish. If you're below this, we're cautiously bearish. And if we are below 38,800, we're aggressively bearish. So this is a couple of technical intraday patterns that we have to keep it in our mind. If, for example, tomorrow the market is opening in this range, the range of today's last candle high of 39,060, so below 39,100 and today's low, if the market is opening in this range, I would say it's going to be a good opening for the bears, for the sellers. So then what I will be doing is I'll be looking for this low to break, and then I can take a put, I can go short in this market on the 10th of February. The first target will obviously come around 38,750, the low of this bar. If that starts to break, which it probably will, then we'll go for the gap filling trade towards 38,600. So this level will open up, and bank nifty will try to fill all these gaps. But again, opening has to be flat and these lows have to break. But what if the market opens flattish but doesn't break these lows and starts to go up and give you a green bar? What I basically mean is people who have gone short, try to understand this. Anyone who has gone short will be having a stop loss above this candlestick. So if the market is opening in this range and starts to take out these highs, then automatically, so what I'm saying is the first 15-20 minutes are stable, they give you a green candles and they take out these highs, then automatically the sellers will have to, I will say, if you're a bear in the market, for the time being, get out and observe, because then again the market will turn volatile to up. So it all depends upon where you open, whether you take out the lows, whether you take out the highs, and how do you perform. Gap up will again lead to volatility, and these levels will then become support. If I talk about Nifty, similar analysis on Nifty also, little bit weaker and no major supports. I would say we have a good support now at 17,400. So if markets, very similar reason, if markets are opening flattish, obviously if bank nifty underperforms, nifty will also start to come down. So if the markets are opening flattish and they take out these lows, then it will try to come towards 17,400 levels. But if the market is opening gap up, and then it is very sure that these lows of today, then the market will make it a support, and then they will again try to move towards 17,600. So focus should be where you open, where it starts to trade. It will be a good morning session tomorrow, and the idea is to, please, whatever you do intraday, don't forget that America is about to release a very important economic data. So please focus on that, and I believe your trading should be fine. Thank you so much.